ls-ldz/samba share. So to check the okay, ls-ldz samba share, enter, space lsi space ldz. Somebody's microphone.
పెన్ను రాసుకోలేను ఇప్పుడు పెన్ను ఎవరా బిట్టు హ్యాపీ
Okay, here you're having your context. Look here, this is the SE Linux context for your directory. Here you need to change this as by using chcon space -t samba tt -t space samba underscore share no space samba underscore share share underscore t space on the directory /samba share. So we are changing the context of SC Linux here. Okay, so now again verify it here that default was changed or not. Default underscore t by using ls-ldz up arrow one more time. Okay, enter. So look here, the context was changed. Okay, so previously it was default, now we have changed it for Samba. Okay, now that's the second step. Third step is over. Next our task is we need to edit the username. So what are the users you are having on your system? Check it using /cat/etc passwd. So Vamsi is a regular user, so you need to make him as Samba user. So how to do that one is smb. So already user Vamsi, now we are making him as a Samba user. If there is no user, if you want to create a new user, create a new user using user add command. After that you can convert him into Samba. Okay, so how to convert a normal user to Samba user is by using the command smb passwd smb no space is there, smb complete combinedly. Okay, smb passwd space -a space Vamsi. Okay, now it will ask for password, Samba password. It is not regular password, it will ask for some password, so give some password of your own. Okay, after giving password again repeat it. Now we are setting a password for Samba. Okay, now we have added a Samba user. Okay, that is the third step. So to check whether it was added to Samba or not, by using the command pdb edit no space space capital L. Okay, it will list the what are the Samba users. So here Vamsi is added to Samba. Okay. Now next task is we need to edit the Samba configuration file. For that, go to the open that Samba configuration file. So that was /etc samba.conf. So using vi /etc/samba slash smb.conf. So here you have more entries. So go to the last 7 lines, last 7 or 8 lines. Go to end. These are all about Samba. If you have some time, read all those. Okay, it will give some information about the Samba. Okay, go to the end. Okay, that's the end now. So here from that public onwards, copy. Go to the cursor to that public. Wait, how many lines are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 lines are. Okay, go to the cursor. Okay, no 7 yy, press 7 yy. No go.
Insert mode lo ఉంది.
Escape.
Command mode.
Okay, 7 yy. Okay, go to the last line. Last. Okay, P, press P. Okay, so give some enter there. Go to insert mode, give some space. So the 7 lines are copied here. So go to that initial line public. So give some enter there, enter and give some space between previous one and this one. Okay, now it look like. So now remove all the semicolons. If you keep these semicolons in this script, this file, so then it will treat that as a comment that these will not execute. Okay, so remove all this. Okay. Now these are some of the entries you need to give to configure Samba server. The first entry is here in square bracket. Change that one to your share name. So what you want to give the share name, you will give the share name like SMB share, or you can give with your name also Harivamsi like that. Okay, SMB share is your share name. Please remember this one. Okay, you need to give that in the Windows server. Next, comment. You if you want to give some comment here, give the comment here, or leave it public stuff. Next, path of your Samba shared directory. So where you have created your shared directory, give that path /Samba share. I think it was created in slash only. So give that. It's not in home now. It is in slash. So okay, that's it. That's good. Public. Go to this one. If it was given yes, all users can use it. So give it no. Change it to no. So if it is no means it will ask for user authentication. So already we have created that one Vamsi as a Samba user. So it will ask for authentication. Okay, writable yes, printable no. Write list equal to give the username space, give space between Vamsi and equal to. Okay, next one we need to give some more entries. Press tab 2 times. Okay, next user lists, user space list. So Yogi, sorry, Vamsi, username is Vamsi na. Sorry, it's not user and user list, it is valid space users, valid valid space users. Okay, users. Oh, space means space tab, space key. Okay, next space valid space users. Okay, next hosts hello, HOSTS, hosts space host space yellow, ALLOW, yellow, yellowing the what are the hosts you are. Okay, equal to space your IP address 192, whatever IP you are having, give that address 168.61.65. Okay, no need to give 129, just give up to 65 only, remove that 129. Okay, 65 dot. Okay, that's enough. These are the entries you need to give. So out of these, what are the important thing means here? The path is important, writable is yes is important, and valid users host hellos. These are the four entries you must remember, and this entry in square bracket, that is the share name, that also important. If you don't change it, it is public na. So you need to remember that one also. Here I have changed it to SMB share. Okay, now write the changes to file. Sorry, save the changes to the file. WQ escape shift colon. Okay, now changes are made. So whether it was updated or not, check that using test param command. Test PARM param PARM. Enter. One more entry. Enter. Okay, all the entries were successfully given there. Okay, next one is you need to restart the SMB NMB services by using the command service SMB restart. Enter. Command not found. Okay, service spelling SERVICE service. Enter. Shutting down services failed. Okay, previously it was not started, that's why. Okay, no problem. Once again execute the same command. Okay, that's fine. Next, service NMB restart. These are the two daemons you need to start and restart every time. NMB restart. Enter. Once again execute it. Okay, now it's fine. Next, check config SMB on, check config NMB on. Space SMB space. Okay, no need of NMB, no need on a separate. Okay, enter. Next, check config NMB on. I think you better practice all those 2-3 times. Okay, next, that's over. It's over for Linux server for SMB. Okay, next, go to Windows and which you want to act as a client. Go to your Windows OS. Okay, open your Windows screen. On that, go to my computer. If it is 7, my computer. If it is 10, this PC. Okay, in that go to my computer. No, my computer icon is there now. Okay, so right click on it. Right click. Okay, in that map network drive, map fourth option, fourth one. Okay, here you need to give the entries like this. Okay, backward slash server IP and slash share name. No, backward slash. Windows backward slash. In Linux it is forward slash. Okay, you give that IP address of your server, Linux server. 192 dot, what is that IP? 29 slash forward slash again. Share name, what is the share name we have given? SMB share, I think so. SMB share. Okay, enter, finish. Now if you configure it properly, then it doesn't. Okay, now here it will ask for credentials. Give that credentials, Samba user credentials. Vomsi, I think so. Vomsi. Okay. Now look here. So in this window, a separate drive was created, that is Z drive. This is shareable to this IP 190.168.129. Now this here in window, this drive was sharing this drive with that Linux server. Already we have configured now 192.168.65.129. So now go to this directory inside this one. Okay, so now create some files here. Right click, new, some text file or something, whatever it may be. Create some file here. Text document better. Okay, Word it is. Okay, that may not support in Linux. Okay, do text. Okay, give some name. Okay, write something in that inside that one. Okay. Write something. Okay, leave it. Close it. Save and close. Okay, that's fine. Now go to Linux server. So your it will reflect where? In your Samba share directory, where it was in. Your path was slash Samba share. So go to that directory, cd Samba share. So Samba share. Okay, enter ls. Okay, look here. There we have created two files now. One is text file, second one is this Word document. So open that text file. Okay, that's it. Tab, give tab. Enter. No need of giving. Okay, so look here. So that information was appeared here. Okay, now create some files in this Samba share by using touch or something, cat or va, whatever it may be. Create some files and also write some data here. Write something here. Okay, that's enough. Save. Okay. Okay, now go to the Windows client. Okay, no problem. File name, even if you use vi, it will create a new file, not a issue with that. Go to Windows server, Windows client, Samba location, previous location we are in. Mm, okay, so look here, it was created in Linux, na? Okay, all these are the files. So if you want to check it, this file one, double click on this, double click. Okay, it's working. It was text file, use text editor. Okay, what file does this, so no problem. Sync, the system is slow because of VMware. Okay, that's how we can configure Samba. That's it. So Samba between Linux and Windows. Okay, now, okay, now we can do the same for Linux to Linux also. Okay, previously Windows was configured as a client. Now how to configure a Linux, because Samba supports all environments, all OS. So Linux to Linux possible, Linux to Windows possible. So here Linux to Windows was already done. Next, how to configure Linux to Linux using Samba. So already Linux server was configured, the same procedure for Linux server, but Linux client, how to do that one? First log into the Linux client, and to know the Samba servers. So you don't know who are the Samba servers. To know the Samba servers, use this command, find SMB. Then you will find out who are the Samba servers. Later, to check the share name of Samba server, use this command, smb client -l / 192, this Samba server ID. Sorry, Samba server ID. So the same for NFS you need to use here is show mount -e. For Samba it is smb client -L and server IP. So when asked for password, give that password. Okay. Next you need to connect to Samba. Use this syntax, smb client server IP / share name. Okay, share name -u. So to mount that Samba directory, okay, so how to do that one is mount -t cifs. Here type T means type of the file system, and cifs is the file system type of your Samba, and IP shared directory /mount. We are mounting your Samba share to this mnt in your client -o mount -o user equal to yogi. Okay, user equal to yogi. After that, give some entries there. Okay, so now I will show you one by one. Okay, so now I'm going to my servers. So this is the my Linux server. This server is I have configured for this server. This server is I have configured as a server. This system, okay, 130 is my Linux server. Already I have configured everything for Samba. It is configured as a Samba server. Now go to this one, this system. This I'm considering this as uh, client, Linux client for Samba. Okay, so to know the Samba, okay, first check it. Actually, this is not required for a Samba, but we'll practice it. Wait, this is the server. So it is giving the server like this. Okay, now what you need to do is, next step is check the share name of the Samba server by using these commands: smb client hyphen capital L smb smb client hyphen capital L. So my server is, think I need to give that like this because it is a Sambana. So we need to give the entries will be like this slash, okay, two slash, two forward slashes, backward forward slashes. Okay, server IP 192.168.61.130 is my server. Okay, it will ask for password. Session setup was failed, I think. So enter without giving password. Now look here. So it was share name. Share name is smb share. Okay, type of the disk comment we had given all these entries in Samba server. Na? Next, okay, the server is RHL server and Samba server comment. Okay, my group. Okay, so it was login as anonymous. Okay, all these entries are given here. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to next step is we need to do that connect to Samba server using this one. Okay, and share name, or smb client, that IP, share name hyphen that username. Okay, share name is smb share. Okay, hyphen capital U, and the Samba username is Yogi. Password Yogi 244. Again, tree is disconnected.